we have, apart from the 4, binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Apart from those, we have other types of classification. One is weighted codes. Second one is non-weighted codes. Third one, reflective number system. Reflective number system. Fourth one, sequential number system. Sequential number system. Fifth one, alphanumeric number system. Alphanumeric number system. And last one is error detecting and correcting codes. Error detecting and error correcting codes. These are the other codes present. Other codes present. Basic codes are binary codes, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. And this is other way of classification. I have written here the flow chart. The weighted codes is again of two types. One is binary code because it has position value, and BCD codes, they also have position value. Coming to non-weighted codes, we have XS3 code. XS3 code, it doesn't have any position value. Second one is gray code. Gray codes also doesn't have any position value. And the last one, 5-bit BCD codes. 5-bit BCD codes. Coming to the reflective codes, again we have 2421 codes. I will tell you what this is. And then 5211 codes. XS3 is also one of the type of reflective codes. Coming to sequential codes, we have 8421 and XS3. These two are sequential codes. Coming to alphanumeric codes, you might have heard this ASCII representation. Numeric as well as alphabetic numbers are present. Second one is EBCDIC, extended binary coded decimal information change. That is alphanumeric code. And the last one is Hollerith code. Hollerith code. Coming to the error detecting and error correcting codes, you might have heard the word parity codes, odd parity, even parity, parity codes, and then Hamming codes. These are error detecting and error correcting codes. And the last one, last extension. So binary codes, again, there are variety of with the position values. So we have 2421, 5421, 7421, 8421, and 5211, 5311, 6311, 742 bar 1 bar, 842 bar 1 bar, and finally 3421, 4221. All these are different types of BCD codes. All these are different types of BCD codes. And what I have written, it is position values. What I have written, it is position values. Okay. And if I will go to the next slide and explain you what all these BCD codes are. Okay. We know that BCD is nothing but every digit will be represented in 4-bit representation. Every digit in decimal is represented with 4-bit representation. That is binary code. Okay. So I will come to this BCD codes later in the next slide. Now I am going to non-weighted codes, means position value will not be there. Non-weighted codes means position value will not be there. So reflective codes means, so whatever numbers you are having from 0 to 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1, it will be same as 2 power n plus 1. Okay, wait 1 minute. 2 power n2. After 2 power n minus 1, okay, So I didn't give you the clear picture. I will remove this. So 0 to 2 power n minus 1, whatever numbers are there, 0 to 2 power n minus 1. This is one set of numbers. And the numbers will be same as, okay, the numbers will be same as 2 power n to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. This type of codes are called reflective codes. Okay, this type of codes are reflective codes. And coming to sequential codes means any number you take, its ones complement is equal to 9's complement of the same number. Okay, so any number you take, calculate its ones complement, calculate its 9's complement. If both of them are equal, then it is sequential codes. That happens in 8241 and XS3 type of codes. Okay, ASCII already you might have known. ASCII codes 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. will be present. Small a, small b, small c, etc. will be present. Okay, alphanumeric code, extended BCD, Hollerith, and parity, even parity, odd parity, Hamming codes. Okay, so this is, if you observe, XS3 is non-weighted, reflective behavior is there. Also, sequential type of codes are present. Sequential nature is also followed in. Sequential nature is also followed in XS3 type of codes. All the three behaviors are there: non-weighted, reflective, and then sequential behavior. Sequential behavior codes. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Now coming to this other means, I will take first two and explain you. Okay. For example, if you are taking, what is this 2421? What is this 5421? Okay. So BCD weighted codes. And if I explain this to you, will understand the other things. I can proceed thereafter. I will take a new page, 2421 and 5421. So this is 2421 BCD codes. This is 5421 BCD codes. And if I take decimal number, okay, decimal representation, if I take a number 5, okay, if I take a number 5, how to represent in 2421 BCD? These are position values. These are position values. I can get 5 if I put 1 here and 1 here. Okay. So no other combination can give me 5. In 5421 also the representation is same, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is also other type of BCD code. Okay, 2421, 5421 are the position values. You are multiplying the position value with the face value. Okay, position value and face value you have to multiply so that the value should come back as decimal value 5. Okay, I will take another case. If I consider a decimal number 9, how to represent in BCD 2421? Decimal 9 I am taking, how to represent in BCD 2421 means you can put all ones. You can put all ones. This is 9. Okay. But here it will not be like that. You have to come from LSB. You have to fill a value 9. You have to fill a value 9. Okay. So I can only take 1100. This is the best combination. No other combination is equivalent to 9. Okay. Same 9 decimal number is represented in BCD 5421. How it is 1100? You have to multiply the position value with the face value. Position value with the face value, and the sum should come as 9. Okay. If you put 1 somewhere else, you cannot make it to get 9. You cannot make it to get 9. Okay. So this is about the different types of BCD code. If I take 8421, how to represent the same number 9 in this BCD code? In the previous slide, you can see. 8421 is also there somewhere here. 8421 is also one of the BCD codes. Okay, these are position values. Now how to write a number 9 in this 8421? I have to take the position values. So 8 you have to put 1, and in the place of 1 you put 1. Other positions you put 0. So the position value and the face value multiply. position value and face value multiply, this is equivalent to 9. Okay, so the same number 9 is written in different types of BCDs in different models. Okay, always you have to identify the position where you have to put 1 so that it will give an equal value 9. Okay, this is about BCD code what I was discussing in the previous slide. Now you know what is XS3. You know what is XS3. General BCD number. I will go with general BCD number. This is special case BCD is completed. Okay, so general BCD number, it will have 4 bits. Yes. Yes, any doubt?
Ma'am, in 5421, once can you show that slide, ma'am?
Yes, 1 minute. 5 4 why you did not take? Yes, 5421. If I have written wrong, I have a value 9. Isn't it? I have a value 9.
No, ma'am. For 5,
You
for
want to
5
take
we can
1 triple
write in
0,
two
isn't it?
methods, no, ma'am.
1 triple 0. Fill the values from LSB. You have to fill the values from LSB. Okay. So I will take another color. You want to write in 5421 as 1 triple 0. 1 triple 0. Okay. When you have to use this position means when all the previous positions are filled with 1, only then you have to come for 1 here. Okay. So if you write 0, if you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9, you will understand what I am telling. Okay. So this will give a value 5. This will give a value 5, but the logic is not followed. That ascending order is not followed, isn't it? So you have to fill the positions from LSB to MSB. This is the LSB position. This is the LSB position. This is the MSB position. You have to fill the values from LSB to MSB. Okay. If I write 5, 4 to 1, 0 to be mentioned as all zeros. 1 means like this. 2 means 1 0. 3 is same. Okay. 4 it is same. 5 also same as normal BCD. Where it will change 6 means how we have to, this is also similar to normal BCD. 7 means 0, 111 is 7. 8 means 1. 8 how I have to take 8 how I have to take, these are position values. Okay, 8 differs up to 7 it is okay, but 8 it differs. You see 1011 is 8, 1011 is 8. 9 means what you have to do, 9 means what you have to do, 1100 is 9. This is 5421 for decimal 0 to 9. For decimal 0 to 9. You see here I have followed a logic, ascending order logic. I have started filling from LSB to MSB. I have started filling from LSB to MSB. Okay. So what you have written will give when you multiply place value and face value, when you multiply position value and face value, the value is becoming 5, but the logic is not followed. Ascending order logic is not followed. Okay. So you cannot write like this. I think you understood. In the case of 8, you can understand it is different. In the case of 8, it is different. Based on the position, you will fill from LSB to MSB. There is no possibility for 1000, isn't it? There is no possibility for 1000. That is normal BCD. Normal BCD. In normal BCD, the position values are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 like that. So 4 bits are there. Okay, these are position values in normal BCD. But I told you all these are special cases, special case BCD. All these are special case BCD. Okay.